everyone. Welcome to my show, Wednesdays for Women. And in Wednesdays for Women, in association with Freebirds.co, I try to get you some of the best women on this earth. And today I have a very, very special friend. This is a friend I met a couple of years back. No, I think it was last year I met her. And it was because of her vibrance, because of the sunshine woman that she is, I got attracted towards her. And here she is, all the way from Switzerland, Ruby Bakshi Kurdi. A very, very warm welcome to you, Ruby.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Beautiful, Tinit. It was same. The feeling was mutual. I got attracted towards you because you were so vibrant in your sari and traditional dress. So I guess we just got, influenced by each other. And here we are after a year talking to each other on screen live.
Yes, and it's so nice to see you. And imagine you are such a busy person, Ruby. All the time you are either in a LinkedIn meeting or you're in a webinar or doing a live show or something or the other. And today you're here on my show. I feel so privileged that you're on my show and you're talking. And you are an influencer. You are such an inspiration because you're vibrant. The aura that you carry around yourself, it kind of rubs on to everybody. Because when I met you at WEF in the Women's Economic Forum, you were one person who stood out, from the crowd. Because every time I looked, I said, wow, there is Ruby. She's doing something or the other. Either she's speaking wonderfully. I remember you on stage speaking at one point of time, and then you were with those beautiful dresses of yours. So you are one woman who does not stop at ki acha theek hai, let me sit and just not do anything, but you are constantly on the move. You're a very adventurous woman. Every second you have an adventure coming. Every second you have a new story coming. I think you are an amazing woman, and I want all the women, whoever is going to watch this show, please be inspired by Ruby Bakshi Kurdi, who's a very, very dear soul sister of mine. She is a saga. She is a story. She is a beautiful, beautiful woman who I'm totally in love with this woman, seriously. And that is why she's on my show. It's so nice. So Ruby, let's start in the beginning. You stay in Switzerland, but were you born there? Or were you born in India and then you went there? What's the story like?
No, I'm born in India. I'm from Kashmir. I'm a Kashmiri Pandit, born in Lucknow. So I was living in Lucknow. I had my schooling in Lucknow. I had my college education in Lucknow. And thereafter, I did my MBA. After finishing my MBA, I was working there as an educationist in India. And just after, I would say 2 years, I got married and I came here in Switzerland. So this was supposed to be for a short period of time because at that time, my husband was here as an expatriate working on a project. But that, just as we see in Bollywood, the beautiful Switzerland, it kept on increasing, every 2 years, every 3 years, he got, new projects, and we are here. We never went back. So I have been here and I did my doctorate in business administration, and I did my postgraduate in, further education for higher education here recently from University of Derby, UK, and my DBA from American University in Switzerland. So now I'm a doctor. So you can call me Dr. Ruby. So it's been amazing. It's been an amazing journey.
I was right about one thing in the beginning, that Ruby Bakshi Kurdi has not stopped at any moment in her life. She had just gone, carried on. Ye studies ke jo ye journey hai, this is such a beautiful journey you've got. You studied here, then you went there and you did your doctorate, and now you're still on, and now you're an educationist. This feeling is so beautiful. So what exactly do you see? I have read something wonderful in your profile that you are a power speaker on emotional intelligence and women empowerment. And how important, Ruby, how important is this in today's world? Emotional intelligence and women empowerment.
See, right now, what we are going through, pandemic, has been really challenging for some of the people. Some people, they have taken it in a very, very negative way. They went through depression. They went through negative thoughts. They just rejected that, aisa possible nahi hai. Ye kaise ho gaya? That kind of a feeling. But some on the other side took it as a challenge. Theek hai, it has come. What next? What can we do to combat it? And that is what emotional intelligence is all about. How you manage your emotions. आप क्या कर सकते हो, worst come worst, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा क्या होगा, what worst can go. And that's what I try to teach. That's what I try to talk about a lot in my talks. Ki especially women, you know, we are emotional beings. हम लोग बहुत ज़्यादा emotions हो जाते हैं, हम लोग बहुत ज़्यादा घबरा जाते हैं, खुश हो जाते हैं, you know, we are a roller coaster of emotions. With small things we become happy, and with small things we become sad also. So this pandemic has been a learning lesson for most of the people, how to manage emotions, what you can do, what you can try to deal with something as strong or as bad as COVID. So this has been a learning experience. As I said, you know, I never stopped learning. I'm still learning. I'm still studying, and I try to do a lot of things just to reinvent myself. You know, I never think, okay, ab itna ho gaya, I'm done with it, I'm right up there. You know, I never do like that for any of my things. I keep on challenging myself and keep going. So pandemic ke through bhi ke dauran, I thought, you know, I will do something which I had not done before. I gave a lot of webinars, I gave a lot of informational sessions to people, because as you know, people had to live in isolation. Some of the people, they were not able to see their children in Switzerland, especially a lot of older people, you know, they were at risk, so they were kept away from the families. So bacche unko visit nahi kar sakte the, they couldn't see their grandchildren. So I was sitting at home, but I was trying to reach out to the old age homes, you know, like I do volunteer services to some of the old age homes here as well. So I was talking to them, I was singing, you know, on screen, trying to have a funny conversation and just bring a smile on their face. So agar aapko chahte ho, if you have a feeling, if you have a passion to connect people, to reach out to people, you know, you can do it even sitting at home. You know, you don't have to go there. You know, you don't have to be there physically. Aap kahin se bhi kar sakte ho. So my message to most of the women especially is, don't give up, keep going, keep going. You know, you have some special thing in you which may you may not be knowing about it. So आप किसी को अपने से कम मत समझो. You know, you don't think that ऐसा हो गया, मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ, I'm 40, what can I do, I'm 50, what can I do. Age is just a number. Don't give up, just keep going. And हर situation में कोई ना कोई कहीं ना कहीं से ray of hope निकलेगी ही, and you will find your mission, you will find your vision to live life and enjoy life.
Wow, wow. I hope all the women are going to listen to you and they could be inspired. Because see, I feel that in India basically a lot of women, after a point of time, you know, they were very sad in the beginning that okay, now we have to stay at home, we don't have any activities outside. But what happened uske baad, thode din ke baad hi what happened, they started getting into activities. Either they were baking, they were writing, they were dancing, they were doing something or the other. I think, you know, this kind of intelligence that I'm using your word, this intelligence that they are doing to describe themselves, to discover themselves, I think this is a very important thing. Don't you think it's like that?
Yeah, I think so. I mean, see, in everything, every catastrophic situation, there is something, there's a ray of hope on the other side of the tunnel, as we say. So, इस situation में भी वैसा ही है, but it's just like it's taking time to see the light. But you have to have the torch in your hand. You know, you can't wait for somebody to torch the candle for you or light the candle for you or give you ray of hope. You know, you have to think within, कुछ ना कुछ तो होगा ही, मुझे हाथ पैर मारने हैं. So don't stop हाथ पैर मारना. You keep on doing, keep on moving your hands, keep on looking, keep on observing, keep on connecting, because the more and more you will do, you will find some source of inspiration, some source of task that you may not have explored before, but that can be something that you can explore in the future and can become better at it.
तो रूबी के पास इतने ज्यादा एनर्जी है. मैं एक क्वेश्चन मुझे फटक से दिमाग में आया कि you know, what time does Ruby wake up in the morning? What time does she wake up, or she doesn't sleep at all? इतने सारे काम करते हो आप. You do so much of work, and then how do you manage to sleep? Where is the energy coming from?
No, I do sleep. I do sleep for at least 6 to 7 hours. I try to sleep for 6 to 7 hours. It's just like, you know, when you meet the people who energize you, when you are with a group of people who give you positive energy, आप अपने आप से, you know, you get energized. You know, a lot of people ask me the same questions in it, जो आप पूछ रहे हो, कि how does Ruby have so much energy? It's not that Ruby doesn't have so much energy. It is just a normal energy. But when I do things for people, when I connect people, or when I collaborate with people, it does give me a additional energy. So energy, हम सबके पास level of energy we all have similar, whether it's you, me, or anyone who's watching us. But just how we manage it, that is different from person to person. अगर कोई person है 2 काम कर लेता, कहता ओ मैंने बहुत काम कर लिया, आज तो मैंने 2 काम किए and भाई गंगा नहा ली, that way. And there's some people who do those 2 things and then they still have some time कि मैं और क्या कर सकती हूँ, मैं और क्या कर सकता हूँ, to reach out to the person. So yes, it is important that you should take breaks. You should energize yourself by taking small naps if possible. Yeah, nature mein jao. Like I think I'm blessed that I live here in Switzerland, so I just go out. I go out in the nature, just calm down, no talking to anyone. I just be myself for like 10 minutes and then I come back again to the जो दुनिया में करना है, जो काम करने हैं. So I always try to spend my time with my children. I try to manage my time in such a way that I'm able to give quality time to my children and learn from them. I'm constantly learning new things from my children, from my students. They are also like, some people might think you're a teacher, you know everything, but no, there are a lot of things our students know better than us. So I take certain things from my students, and that is what energizes me. When I listen to them, when I attend their sessions, or when I attend their talks, or when I sit with my children, these are small things. सुनने में लगेगा कि ये तो हम भी करते हैं, but some do it with passion and some do it with excitement, and I try to do it with excitement, and that's what makes me give my 100% to whatever I'm doing. अगर मैं कोई कुछ काम करती हूँ तो मैं उसको 100% देती हूँ. I just don't do it for the heck of doing कि चलो हो गया, निपटा दिया. वो नहीं करना होता है, because if you do that, that will show on your face, that will show on your work also. उसका productivity will be like this. पर अगर आप कोई काम 100% तरह से करते हो, so automatically जब वो काम सक्सेसफुल होता है, जब आप देखते हो कि इसके रिजल्ट्स बहुत अच्छे हैं, वो आपको फर्दर एनर्जाइज करता है, एंड देन यू फील चलो व्हाट नेक्स्ट, एंड यू मूव फ्रॉम 1 to 2.
Wow. I just love listening to your stories. पता है आपके पास ऐसे एक करिश्मा है, ऐसे एक मतलब मैजिक है कि मैं ऐसा बैठ के मतलब सुनती रहूं आपकी बात. ऐसा लगता है you are seriously a very good influencer. So I was also thinking of the other thing that you, whenever I've seen you, watched your videos, you are an activist. You, apart from being an award-winning educational and educationist and founder of Ray Academy, we'll come to that. We'll come to your academy, but apart from that, I have seen some lovely videos that you create. It's for Teachers' Day and sometimes for some other issue or something or the other. What makes you do this? Is it the love for the people, or is it what is it exactly? Because I want to know the secret. I want to copy you.
Please be my guest. Do it. Like you'll see when you start doing it, आपको बहुत खुशी मिलेगी. You will feel content. You'll feel wow, I did that something. I connected people. I'll just tell you a story about the Teachers' Day video. That day I must have talked at 6 or 7 different Zoom sessions. कहीं मैं अपने टीचर से बात करी थी, कहीं मैं अपने स्टूडेंट से बात करी थी, कहीं I was being awarded as a teacher, कहीं I was awarded as educationist. So I did like 6-7 Zoom sessions. So some of my friends were trying to contact me and they said like, we would like you to come here, we would like you to come here. And then I thought, why don't I do a Zoom live, like addressing people, which will be like so that people know that I have been here. It's not that I'm avoiding anyone. ऐसा नहीं है मैं किसी को avoid करूँ, because I want to connect, but time कम है. उससे ज़्यादा time मैं नहीं ला सकती. I can't create 24 को 48 hours नहीं कर सकती. So what I did was, it was just impromptu. I did that video on Facebook live to tell मैं ये कर रही हूँ, आप सबको नमन, आप सबको प्रणाम, to all the teachers, to all my students, because students की वजह से हम teachers हैं, और teachers की वजह से हम लोग हैं. Whatever I am today is because of the teachers who have made me what I am today. And of course, सबसे बड़ा parents. Parents are the first teachers, for every kid. The moment we are born, we look forward to our mom, we look forward to our papa. So सबसे पहले उनको नमन, and then to all the teachers जिनको उन्होंने हमारे लिए create किया. It was because of my parents I went to the good schools, best university, best education, that I'm able to address. But the thing is, Tinath, the funny thing is that today I did my first LinkedIn live. I was invited as a guest.
I was about to ask you that. I was about to ask you that.
Yes. So no, I'm just saying that because you mentioned about the live videos, right?
Yes.
So that was the story about Facebook, that I just sometimes don't plan it. I just do it. जो मन में आता है कि चलो ऐसा कर लेते हैं, to connect with people, I do. So for LinkedIn Live, it was because your show was there, and then there was another session with the Geneva Peace Week. You know, I was with UN Women Today. So these two things were already planned since a long time. But the LinkedInpreneur, it was not planned. It just happened, you know. So they asked me, can you come? So I was like, I really don't know I can come because it's live. So, you know, you have to be prepared for that. And second, I have two sessions already back to back. And they said, doesn't matter. You just have to speak. You just have to be you. You don't need to prepare anything. You just come. We'll have you the first guest. And believe me, Tinath, it went so well. It was exciting. I had so many people constantly, the chat window was going boom, 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 boom. It was exciting. It was my first time on LinkedIn as a guest person, you know, as a guest who was answering to the live questions. And we even have rapid fire, which was like really rapid, very, you know, khatarnak sa feeling ho raha tha dil mein, but we enjoyed it. So it's just like, you know, if you're authentic, if you are honest, आप किसी भी सिचुएशन को डील कर सकते हो. You can, as I was telling, you know, you don't have to copy anyone, but you can think. Like I always think, I like Tinath's style. You know, when I first met you, if you remember, I said I like
Yes,
your
yes.
style. You look so elegant, so like, you know, yourself of your thing, and your big ring that you were wearing. So it's like, it's Tinath's style. You know, if I want to be like Tinath, I can think of Tinath as my role model. Wow, I want to be like her. But I can't become Tinath. I have to create my own identity. I have to be Ruby, but influenced by Tinath. And that's what I tell all my friends, whether especially women, that you don't have to be like someone. You can be inspired by someone. You can take the other person as your role model or as an inspiration, but create your own aura. Create your awesome you. You know, try to show what you are, how you are, by showing your best personality. आप किसी को कॉपी मत करो, आप खाली इंस्पायर हो और अपना स्टाइल बनाओ, अपना यूनिक स्टाइल बनाओ, because you have your own style. There might be lots and lots of people who are inspired by you, but you don't know. So it's only when you talk, only when you connect. So when you make these videos, you will see the beauty. You know, people will connect with you. People would like to ask questions with you. People will write. You know, you have to create engaging videos. अगर आप ऐसा वीडियो बनाओ, you know, which is very superficial, it looks kind of fake. No one will connect. लोग एक दो like कर लेंगे, या you know, they'll just talk to you and they'll move on. But if you make videos genuine, जो आप सोच रहे हो आप वो प्रोजेक्ट कर रहे हो, आप वो दिखा रहे हो, automatically, believe me, people will comment, people will like to know, and it will engage them to aspire and inspire, you know, in the long run. So I do it. I just love it, and I'm really enjoying that. And I'm very thankful to my son that he helped me create my own YouTube video.
Wow.
It's 2 years that I have this channel, my YouTube channel, and I never thought I would have a channel. I would do something like that, because I never thought, like, this was not at all a planned activity. But since I was getting invited to so many places and they would ask for, can you share a link of your last talk? Can you share a video? And I would never do it. You know, I would never prepare anything of that sort. So when I first did my TEDx talk, they asked me for the link, and they gave me this idea, you know, if you have your videos, kindly share the link, because that's what people see and people know about you. Okay, she has done 5 videos or she has done 6 talks, and that is there as a record. And then it was my son, my little son, who's told, Mama, let's make your YouTube channel. And voila, it's there, it's running very well, and lots and lots of people are getting connected.
We can like, you know, go and subscribe by your name, Ruby Bakshi.
Yes, so you can just go on YouTube and write my name, Ruby Bakshi Khurdi. You know, the moment you write Ruby Bakshi Khurdi, 3 names, boom, you know, you will get my channel and you will see all the women empowerment and motivational talks over there.
Sure. So I'd like to tell all the viewers who are watching us right now, because this is going live on Facebook, whoever's watching this, please, please, please go to Ruby Bakshi Khurdi's YouTube channel, subscribe button dabao, bell button bhi dabao wahan pe, and please listen to her videos, because they're very inspirational. I have had the chance to, every morning, you know, whenever she's put up a video, I've had a chance to go and see her videos, and she's truly, truly very inspirational. You must get a chance to actually listen to this. Dusre ke suno bhai, but also listen to Ruby Bakshi because she's really inspirational. And being a woman so strong, look at the power she speaks with. This is what I like about women who are so powerful, and they need to come and inspire people like us. You know, sometimes we are just sitting in the gaon and acha theek hai, Ruby Bakshi's come all the way from Switzerland and she's actually teaching us so many things. This is so nice. You know, I also read in your profile that you have, of course, you are a super award winner. You always keep getting some award or the other. कुछ ना कुछ तो मिलते रहते हैं आपके profile में. I keep watching your profile and your profile is filled with awards. But you have done amazing, super amazing, successful workshops all across the world, in United Nations, Geneva. Then you've done in London, in Bahrain, in Amsterdam, in India, Nepal, China, Paris. My God, I can go on and on. Portugal, Prague. What are these workshops about? Are these on education, empowerment? What are these about?
Well, my key areas are women empowerment and education. These are my two key areas. But it was just during pandemic, I would say, that more and more people started getting in touch with me because I used to speak a lot about emotional intelligence. So these three are the key themes, I would say, that I'm given opportunities to talk on different platforms. I'm invited. You know, my eye opener event was when I was invited by the Queen of Bahrain. You know, that was
Wow.
like a dream come true. Yes. And believe me, Tinit, I knew nobody there. I knew not even one single person. So I thought maybe it's a mistake. And I called them, you know, because I received a formal letter. So I called them and I asked, is it really for me? Is it normal? Because I don't know, you know, whether I should be in this particular summit. And they said, no, your name has been shortlisted and you have been invited as a special guest by the Queen herself. So it was really an eye opener. I went there, even though I was very scared. I was really, because for the first time I was traveling alone. I have never traveled alone. So I was very scared traveling that far away from Switzerland. But the experience was great. The experience was like, wow. And we spoke about, again, women empowerment, how we should connect. So basically, my theme is always towards supporting people, whether it's men or women. It's just a name that we call it women empowerment. That doesn't mean that we don't empower men. It's just we want equality, you know, both men and women. It's like Shiva Shakti. You
Yes.
can't do anything by yourself. We need Shiva and Shakti together. And that's how we do Namaskar also. If you are just by yourself, you know, it's not going to do anything. But if we are together, we make noise and we are there for eternity. So that's very important. So I do talks on these criterias and these three key areas, practically most of the places. But during pandemic, I have been talking a lot about education. Like I was contacted by some schools and some universities from India, as well as from China, as well as from UK, to talk and share the views how pandemic has challenged and shaped the education system. You know, how it was before face to face and now how it has become virtual learning. So what can we do, how we can do, and things like that.
Wow. Isn't that one reason why we met in WEF? Because you are a person who empowers women. So you were there for a women's economic forum, and that is how you and I meet, because we are women with similar thoughts, and that is how our chemistry, our vibration actually came together, and we met. You know, and it's wonderful that I met you because. It's not every day that you meet beautiful, intelligent, and superhumans like you. Because
Oh,
you know, it is no. I'm absolutely speaking the truth, because it is only a superhuman who will speak and think about other people, because other people are busy thinking about themselves, but you are thinking about other people and how they should be better and more empowered. So why I call you a superhuman, a superwoman, it's because of this reason. And you are in WEF in so many capacities. Ruby, you look at you, you are serving as the honorary vice president of Global Goodwill Ambassadors, chairperson of All Ladies League, Women Economic Forum, ambassador of the Female Wave of Change, that is Delanche. Would I say Delanche Watches?
Delance,
I,
Delance.
Delance, okay.
Uh-huh.
And then because of this superwoman that you are, You were featured on the cover page of Elite Business Women magazine, and then and Wow India. I saw Wow India, of course. I was so happy when I saw your picture. I was like over the moon. And then you, because of your global inspirational education, because you are that, you have been called by the radio, by social media platforms, by television, all over. I mean, I'm so proud of you. I'm so proud to know that you're a friend of mine. I mean, look at your pride. I wish women would be more like this instead of just cribbing about certain things in the house or cribbing about the nation not doing. And while I speak about the nation, I know that Ruby is very much in love with her prime minister. She loves our prime minister very much because I can see. So you'll have to tell us how do you manage all these profiles, Global Goodwill Ambassador, chairperson, WEF, and All Ladies League. How do you do all this? And then you have your own career apart.
Well, that's what I'm saying. I'm a very passionate person. Like, so if you're passionate about something, if you're passionate about giving love, sharing love, and at the same time, being with your family, it automatically gives you the energy to do so many things. And as you just said, like, I really, really admire our Prime Minister, Mr. Modi. Modi ji is a big inspiration because I think of him, if he can do it, like when we see his story, when we go through what he has done, I'm like in awe of everything. I'm not a political person. I'm not into politics. I don't even know P of politics. But since Modi ji came, automatically I was like, wow, this guy is someone I would like to meet someday. So if Modi ji is listening or any of the Modi community is
Please,
listening,
Prime Minister
please.
sir, if you're listening to Ruby Bakshi Kurdi, please invite her because I really want this woman to meet the Prime Minister. She really loves him a lot. I've seen so much of writing about the Prime Minister. I really want it. I'm sure it's going to happen. Let's create this. Let's manifest this, and I'm sure it's going to happen for you.
Thank you. Thank you. Really, thank you. The day it happens, that will be the happiest day of my life because I really want to meet him. I really want to see him in real as a person because all the people, there's so many people, not just Indians. There's so many people here, Europeans, who are so proud of him. Like, whenever we talk or whenever we think about any political things, they say, oh, Modi ji, your Modi ji is doing wonders. And then automatically as an Indian, I'm like, chati, gar se phool jati hai ki yes, he is a man. पूरा वर्ल्ड उनके बारे में बात कर रहा है उन्होंने इतने सारे अच्छे अच्छे चेंजेस लाए हैं बेटी बेटी पढ़ाओ देन बेटी बचाओ like there's so many wonderful things that he has been doing so I guess this is just something like you see such people you inspire you get inspired and you want to do more so all women you should not think कि आपकी life is coming to a standstill you just keep going you don't have to have pauses or full stops or commas just keep going because you can don any hat. Like as Tinath, you just said, I'm the ambassador for Delons, Female Wave of Change, Women Economic Forum, Global Goodwill Ambassadors. All these are just empowering me more and more. When people contact me, we want you to do this. I say, मैं जो कर रही हूँ काफी है. I don't want to do more just to have another title attached to my name. And as I said, जो मैं करती हूँ वो मैं दिल से करती हूँ because I believe in it. ऐसा नहीं है like there are some admirers, there are some beautiful and good people like you. And also there are some people who think of these things that I'm doing कि क्यों कर रही है what is the maqsad what is the purpose of her why does she have to do why does she have to write about Modi or why does she have to write about education is she paid extra for it or is she the ambassador for it those kind of things so I just listen मैं एक कान से सुनती हूँ दूसरे कान से निकालती हूँ so during this phase of time, I would say last 2 years have been really a game changer for me. I have constantly been sieving all the bad energy things from my life. Since last 2 years, I have focused on my family, my career, as well as my social projects. जिससे मुझे happiness मिलती है, जिससे मुझे बहुत motivation मिलता है to do more. And believe me, जो मैंने कुछ tutorials बनाए, which are free tutorials. Normally, people would charge a lot of money for those tutorials, but I've made 2 tutorials on women empowerment and emotional intelligence. It's free for anyone in any part of the world to take those tutorials, learn from what it is, how it is, and then we give you a certificate for that. It's just something that I want to give back to the society. One wants to live, have a 10 to 5 job, your family, your thing. But जो दूसरों के लिए जब करते हो आपको बहुत खुशी मिलती है. And that's what I've been doing for last, I would say more since last 2 to 3 years. And because I've been sieving, or because I've been filtering a lot of negative energies, like people who don't give you any value, they're just there. If you have a party, you're throwing a Bollywood party, you have 100 people. But if you call them to go to an old age home, or if you call them to do something as a donation, or to do something for, just visiting some orphanages and things like that, they just disappear. Or if I tell you I'm going to this place, but we are not going to shoot, we are not going to take any pictures, automatically they disappear. Because these days, no matter social media is good, but the other side is people just want to be in media for these kind of fake publicity. And sometimes I was also, thought of in that manner. It hurts me, but sometimes people used to think, some of my friends in the past used to think that maybe I'm just doing it because I want to be on media. But I said, I'm just sharing this because I want people to know these are the things which need attention. There are certain orphanages in India. There are some places where, I'm working with them for the girl education, providing them cycle, because वो ऐसी जगहों पे रहते हैं जहाँ पे कच्ची सड़क है. The girls can't go. They can't walk. It's really a big walk, but they can't really go by a bus or by a tractor. So I'm working with this organization. I try to give sometimes, whatever I can to them, to help them, so that every year at least 50, 1 year 50 girls, 1 year 50 boys get cycles, so they can go bicycle to school, provide them stationery. So I think if every person starts doing this, just chota sa amount from your salary, just give it. You don't have to tell to whom, but you just donate. World will be such a beautiful place. Because अगर आप अपने लिए करोगे, that is good, but जब आप दूसरों के लिए करोगे और उनकी आपको दुआएं मिलेंगी, it's just amazing. And that's what I think that's what is giving me more energy. That's what is giving me more power to do more. I don't feel ati ho gayi ya bas ho gaya. It energizes me to do more, because when I see those children, when I meet those children, I met some of them from the slums. They just say didi 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 karke sab ird gird aa jate hain, even though I must be their mom's age. But the way they say didi didi didi, and they are clinging to me, they are touching me, hum aapko chhu, like aise, you feel I'm just like you. I'm not a different person. मैं आपके जैसी हूँ. आप टच कर सकते हो. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि दीदी है या डॉल है, कुछ ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. So I just feel when you give, you get a lot of things in return. And that getting is not just materialistic. It shouldn't be materialistic only, because अगर आप materialistic ही सोच रहे हो, then of course it's not gonna be for long run. It's important आप लोगों से connect करो. The more you will give, the more happiness you will get. You will feel so wowed, and you will have more energy to keep on giving, to keep on doing, and you'll never feel tired.
Wow. You know what? आप जब बात कर रहे थे ना रूबी जी, one thing came to my mind. Two things, in fact. एक तो, I think that you're an angel on earth, number one, and number two, Mother Teresa. I was thinking about her. I was thinking that you are following the same path of Mother Teresa. The way she worked selflessly, the way she worked for the people with leprosy. You are working for people like that. See, look at the kind of work you're doing. You are sending cycles for people here in India, whereas you are there in a different country, but you keep doing that, and we don't even know about this. Why wouldn't you be featured in all the magazines? I mean, I want you to come in all the magazines and all the TV shows, because here is a woman who is a role model for so many other women who are not doing anything at all. They're cribbing, they're doing nothing. But then you here, yesterday I was speaking, in fact, Ruby, when you were talking about, ki aage chalte raho and all these things. Yes, I was talking to a lady. She's much elder to us, much, much elder. And she was saying, you know what, Tina, I was telling her that, you should start writing your book and all these things. And the first sentence that she said, Tina, I'm a useless being. I don't know why God made me, but I have no talent inside me. I said, have you ever given yourself a chance? Have you ever given yourself a chance to sit down and say, I need to write? And then she started having an idea. He says, yeah, now I want to write. Since you have inspired me, I'm going to write. And I said, write. I'm there to edit it. I'm there to help you out. Start writing. So she was feeling completely useless till the time she was talking. She talked to me for half an hour. She got inspired, and now she's going to write. So these sort of inspirations, I think women can only pull up women. And when I speak about WEF, I have to mention Harveen Arora, that, Dr. Harveen Arora is somebody, again, another angel on earth, who's pulled all the women
True.
together. And I wouldn't have met you if it was not for WEF.
True.
If I had not traveled there, if Dr. Harveen Arora had not invited us for this whole session, I would have never met you. So look at the
Mhm.
kind of work she's doing, putting all the women from across the globe together. I think we have to thank her, and we have to be totally, totally grateful to this woman,
Very
because
true.
she's
Very
doing
true.
massive work. She's doing
Mhm,
massive
mhm.
work. What do you think, Ruby? Isn't it true?
Yeah, I totally agree with you. I think we owe it to Harbeen because she is such a, like, just as you're telling about me, I tell about her. Like, for me, she's like an angel, you know. She is just connecting people. When I first met her, I was like, wow, you know, she is so um, such like so compassionate person, you know. थोड़ा सा भी उनको ये नहीं आ रहा है कि मैंने organize किया और I'm the organizer, I'm the person who has done everything. So I guess, you know, we as women, when we try to admire other women जो उनके में खासियत है, जो उनके में plus points हैं, then world will definitely become a better place. And of course she's also connecting women. Otherwise क्या purpose है, like, you know, she's just connecting everyone. आप यहाँ से हो, वहाँ से हो, आप ये करो, आप वो करो. So I guess if we as women admire each other and pull up each other, you know,
Yes.
world will definitely improve. It will be a much much better place, because एक औरत ही है जो घर बनाती है और एक औरत ही है जो घर बिगाड़ती भी है. You know, we have both sides. We have both sides because it can be extremes. And of course, Harbeen and Vinay ji, they have been connecting so many women all over across the world. And they're still connecting. It's never like ati kabhi nahi hoti, wo karte rehte hain. So I guess they are on a mission of connecting women. They are on a mission of creating a better world. And see, we are so many like-minded people getting together. It's all thanks to them. कि उनकी वजह से हम लोग इतने सारे लोग connect हुए, and we are still connecting. Every single day we are connecting, and it's becoming better and better.
Yes, and I hope I meet you again, Ruby, very soon. अति तुरंत आपको मिलते हैं, और आपके जो काम है, I am totally in love with your work. I'm totally in love with your persona, with your personality, with everything that you're doing. In fact, this entire evening that I've been talking with you, you have been a very big inspiration for me. So imagine all the other people who are going to listen to your video. They are going to be, wow, I need to do something this very moment. रूबी बख्शी कुर्दी के बात सुन के मैं अभी अभी से अभी कुछ करना है. I'm inspired because the way you said that kuch bhi banao, videos banao, now I'm thinking, okay, I can also do it for people here who do not understand
True.
English. Maybe I can do it in Assamese or something like that, and I can help them out.
Mhm.
I think I'm totally
Yeah.
inspired. Seriously, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Thank you, God. I met you. So जाते जाते हम और तो बहुत सारे हैं. I have spoken about, मतलब ये जो इंस्टीट्यूट है आपके, you have an institute, you are the educationist and founder of Ray Academy.
Mhm.
And what is this Ray Academy about?
Ray Academy Swiss, it just means reinvent the awesome you. RAY. It's an acronym for reinvent the awesome you. So this is something which I constantly keep on organizing whenever I organize some workshops or training sessions or mentoring sessions. You know, it is open for men and women both. And I'm doing it both virtually as well as face to face. So face to face, तो आजकल बिल्कुल नहीं हो पा रहा है because, you know, I have my job, I have my career, as well as so many other sessions, you know, virtual sessions. So face to face, I'm not doing, but through this Ray Academy, I'm just trying to conduct lots and lots of motivational sessions, as well as public speaking, how you can be a better communicator. We focus on this. So if people want to know a little bit more about it, they can go on my Facebook professional page, and it has a poster, it has information about it. So if they want to connect or if they want to know anything, they can definitely contact us, and my team will get back to them and they can have more information about it.
Okay, so we can take a professional course through your page, like, so it will be virtually done. So we can pay and we
Exactly.
can do the course. Wow.
Exactly.
So
Exactly.
I
Yeah,
must
very true.
promote your page, because there are lots of young people who want to know more about this, about how to do public speaking, how to become a better motivation speaker. I think I'm going to promote your page so that, the young people.
Oh,
So if
that's so
anybody
so
is going
nice
to
of
listen
you.
to this, so the name of your page will be Ray Academy Swiss, or is it by your name?
No, it is my name only, Ruby Bakshi Kurdi, international speaker. And
Okay.
in that, I have this as a page where I'm trying to encourage more and more people to do. So right now, like, because of COVID, I shared lots and lots of free stuff. You know, public speaking. I organize masterclass on public speaking. I organize masterclass on emotional intelligence. So I'm doing a lot of free things for the people because it's a time. You know, we need to give. This is my way of giving. Normally these courses are priced a little bit higher, and especially if you are in Switzerland, aapka price level is different kind. But this is my way of reaching out to the people, that they don't feel depressed, they don't feel humne kuch nahi kiya, so when they are a part of these sessions, automatically they feel energized. I can share, like, people when they visit my professional page, they can see there are lots and lots of people from Bangladesh. I was surprised, lots and lots of people from Bangladesh who got connected, and they came and saw my this master class, and they were like 100K. It was organic, completely organic reach. I had 100K people visiting on that day when I gave this workshop. So it was really very well appreciated. And there's another platform, Tinath, because you just mentioned about women. I have just been approached by Mo Pokhila. That's another, I would say, social organization which is helping married women. Just as you said, there are lots and lots of women who don't know what to do. So Mo Pokhila is another one which, they contacted me, and they speak in Bangla and Assamese, or something like two different things. I'm not very sure. And they contacted me, and they were also very, very pretty much similar situation like you. They were mentioning that we are married, and after marriage our career came to a stop, or after marriage we were told not to do. So I'm trying to talk to them also. And recently they had invited me, and I speak to them in bilingual, like Hindi and English, because not everyone understands English very well. So I think if more and more women especially create more women networks, for the grassroots level, like WEF, if you talk about Female Wave of Change, or WEF, or Wiki, they are for people at higher level, for people who are up there, they're already doing something in life. But I think we need to connect a little bit more at grassroots level, jinko English bhi bolni nahi aati, so if you talk to them, or if you try to help them in your regional language, aap ye kar sakte ho, wo kar sakte ho, help them with some kind of occupational thing, I think that will be a plus plus, which I'm doing little bit here in Switzerland with my organization. It's not really an organization, I've not registered or anything, but I just created a network, and it's called Intercultural, Réseau Interculturel. That's with the way we say it in French. And I'm just trying to find a link between the haves and have-nots. There are some women who are already up there, अच्छे ओहदों पे, and कुछ जो कि refugees हैं, yeah, they don't know how to express themselves, or they are they're very camera shy. Whenever we are doing something, we don't take any pictures, we don't take any videos, because they don't want to be. So there are a lot of such things that we are doing for them. And what we do is, like, just meet them once a month and then connect. Like every month we meet, and I'm stepping out from my comfort zone, because these meetings are in French. And I give that as a challenge to myself. My commune, they help me in giving us a place where we meet monthly and organize these meetings. But COVID का दौरान तो हमने कुछ नहीं किया. But जब भी कोई बड़ा दिन होता है, या कोई अच्छा चीज होता है, या if there's anything that we can do for such women, तो हम लोग उनकी help करते हैं. We try to tell them that there is this opportunity, there is that opportunity. So I guess if more and more women networks will be created at little bit medium level or grassroots level, that will be a big help to our women, because there's a lot of domestic violence that is happening these days, because sab ghar pe hai. There's a lot of other very crucial issues that are happening. So agar औरतें एक साथ आ जाएंगी, if they are together and they are helping them as बहनों की तरह, sisters की तरह, कि तुम्हारी life में ऐसा हो रहा है, कोई नहीं, because we have to help, we have to create those kind of networks which will really make them feel happy and valued. Because if you see, like Ruby is always energized. ऐसा नहीं है. Ruby is also sick sometimes. Ruby is also having sardi, khansi, zukam. I'm also having some issues sometimes with my children, sometimes at college. We don't show that side of ours. We don't show when we are sick. And sometimes my mom says, जब बीमार हो वो दिखाओ जरा तुम वीडियो पे कैसे कफ कर रही हो, वो दिखाओ कैसे vulnerable हो. You only show the positive side. So we don't have to have that bubble of perfection. That is what I would like to address to the women. आपको perfect होने की जरूरत नहीं है. Perfection is good in dictionary. You can be you. Just try to be you and keep on improving your own version. Try to become a better version of yourself. तो जब आप women networks के साथ connect करोगे, या ऐसे छोटे छोटे networks create करोगे, automatically, believe me, Tinath, they will feel so good. कि Tinath को भी कभी-कभी तबीयत खराब होती है. Tinath also has her other side. So we need to, and when we meet at such places, we tell them, this is us. You don't have to be in makeup all the time. अगर आपने lipstick नहीं लगाई, yes, you're still Tinath. you're still the gorgeous woman. So you have to show the vulnerable side to such people also, because जब आप वो करोगे then they feel little relieved and they will connect with you. But अगर आप उनको खाली वो हाई फाई वाला चीज दिखाओगे then they will not connect, they will not come out of the shell, they will be sitting in a corner कि सारी परेशानियां हमें होती हैं, इनको तो कोई परेशानी है नहीं, इनको तो कुछ समझ में आएगा नहीं, you know, they feel like that. So I think we need to step down. All the women who are listening to me, who are something in life, who have achieved something in life, please try to step down from your pedestal and reach out to these women. Try to help them, try to create a network where they feel valued, they don't feel that there's a big gap between them and you. आप अपने को इतना हाई या ऊंचा मत बनाओ कि वो आपको अप्रोच करने में घबराएं. And that's my appeal to everyone, that आप जिस भी कैपेसिटी में हेल्प कर सकते हो, you don't have to help monetarily only, financially आप करके की कोई जरूरत नहीं है आपको, आप जिस भी कैपेसिटी में हेल्प कर सकते हो, by giving some value, या जो आप काम करते हो उसको make it available for free, just give something that other people feel valued and other people can use that opportunity and, you know, prosper. क्योंकि अभी पेंडेमिक है, सबको परेशानियां हैं, सबके घर में कुछ ना कुछ इश्यूज चल रहे हैं. I think we need to connect more and more to reach out and help such people so that they don't feel helpless, even if it's pandemic, but they can fight it out. So एक दूसरे की ताकत बनने की कोशिश करिए. I think that will be something good.
Wow. You know, I am so happy today because this has been a kind of a motivation class for me. Because I think you have given me a lot of motivation to do a lot of good things. And I'm immediately thinking what I'm going to do tomorrow. And with that, you know, the thought that, you know, you keep saying, you have been saying from the beginning, give. You know, I want to say something to you that my mother also, as a little girl, my mom used to tell me, देना सब कुछ दो हाथों से देना. You know, she used to always tell me, give with both your hands. And I used to always think that if I give my toys, I'll get back more toys. As a little girl, I used to think like that. She said, nahi, nahi, you are going to get back blessings. You are going to get back in forms which are, it's unimaginable. So the kind of things that you are doing, the kind of things that you are giving us and giving me, you have given me today, my only wish, my only dua, my only prayer for you is that you rise even higher than the sky. The sky should not be your limit. I want you to shine amongst the stars. I want you to be awarded. I want you to meet the Prime Minister of our country, because that is your biggest wish. I really want that to happen. And I really wish that Ruby Bakshi Kardi is going to give us another story very soon. Maybe in the form of a book or something. I want to see her biography. And, you know, I have many, many, many kind of wishes for you. But seriously, it has been an amazing experience talking to you. I hope I'm going to be able to talk more, get motivated more, get more inspired, because you are one hell of a superwoman. That is all I can say. And thank you so much for coming to my show. Seriously, Ruby.
No, thank you for inviting me. Thank you for giving me this opportunity, because as I said, we have to reach out. अगर आप मुझसे पूछते ही नहीं तो मुझे पता ही नहीं चलता कि you want me to be on the show. So if you need any help, any support, and if I am available, of course, I will definitely be there. I'll definitely be there to support other women. If you want me to talk to other women, I am definitely all ears. All my, you know, time is there. It's just time management, how we need to manage it so that we can help more and more people and be an inspiration or be inspired by them. As I said, मैं अपने स्टूडेंट से बहुत इंस्पायर होती हूँ, मैं अपने बच्चों से बहुत इंस्पायर होती हूँ. And it's you know, some people, like, I just like to share this. As I said, हर औरत एक दूसरे को अगर सपोर्ट करेगी, अगर अपलिफ्ट करेगी, world will be a better place to live. But I'll take this platform to say that for me, it was my mom, the very first person who pushed me. She's my inspiration and she's my role model. She pushed me कि करते रहो, you know, don't be afraid, don't be shy. If you have the capacity, देने की अगर capacity, तो देते रहो. And don't have any expectation. She is the first woman who told me don't have any expectation, because जब आपकी expectations होती हैं and those expectations don't meet, you feel cheated, you feel defeated, you feel low. So it's important that just go with zero expectations. अगर आपकी expectations नहीं होंगी, automatically if you get that, you will feel happy as a person. And the other person who I say whatever I am today, it's because of him. Is one is the parents, of course, my mom and my dad, and second person is my husband. He is the person who made me what I am. Like, he gave me the platform to step out, just live life. You don't have to be in the house, you don't have to be in the four walls of the house altogether. um, Whatever you are seeing, like if you ask my friends or the people who are watching, they will tell you I used to be a very shy girl. I would never speak so much. I used to be very shy, just काम से काम, काम किया, काम खत्म हुआ, and things are done. But then he gave me the motivation, he gave me the boost to explore. And I invented myself like this. So that what I said like 2 or 3 years ago, what I went through, the change, it was all because of him. He pushed me that I see you doing good talks. I see you talking and having good presentations and seminars. Explore a little bit more. Don't just keep it to your school. Explore a little bit more, and it happened. So it's like behind every successful woman can be a man also. So I
Yes,
think I'm
yes.
I'm writing that history. I'm writing that
Wow.
story. That behind my success, I would say whatever I am, success or whatever you call it, is my parents as well as my husband, because they believed in me and they pushed me. Even though if I was scared, as I said, I was not going to the Queen's place, I was not going to Bahrain because I was so scared. But he pushed me. He said, "Nahi, this is your time. If you will not accept it, opportunities nahi milengi." So हर person को जब भी कोई opportunity मिले, just grab it. Just grab it. क्या पता आपको second time वो मिले ना मिले. So it's important. Just believe in yourself and keep going.
Wow. But I have deep, deep respect for your parents, both your parents and your husband, that they have allowed such a beautiful superwoman to actually come out and show her talent and show her skills and her energy and her power and everything. Deep respect. And deep respect to you, Ruby, for everything that you do. Because I have regards, respect, and lots of love to you. So from India to Switzerland, and sending you a virtual hug for coming to my show. Thank you so much. And I love you so much. You're my soul sister. And I really, really love you for doing all that you're doing. Thank you for being such an angel on earth for humanity.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thanks for being my soul sister, and thanks for being a guide and a support all through since the time we met. I'm also going to support you all the time. Wherever you need my support, don't hesitate. I'm just a phone call away. Thank you so much, and just stay connected. They'll say.
Thank you.
We make a heart.
Bye. See you, Ruby. See you.
Take
Good night.
care.
Bye. Good
Good
night.
night.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.